Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the console immediately. Press F9 during gameplay. Once visible, look for the Command, Server, and Client tabs. Make sure you're on the right one for what you want to run. If the console is blank, verify game permissions because many experiences restrict access. Try a harmless test like print, hello, or stats to confirm output. Once done, you'll know the console is responsive and can move on to running more impactful commands. Now you'll craft and execute commands. Start by deciding client versus server. Client commands affect only your session, server commands affect everyone, pick carefully. Next, execute simple Lua snippets to read values or change local properties, for example, game, players, local player, character, humanoid, walk speed equals 16. Make incremental changes and observe the results because mistakes propagate on the server. If the game uses an admin script, follow its command syntax like kick or teleport and test with safe commands before using anything permanent. Finish by consolidating what worked. Copy tested snippets to a text file so you can reuse them later. When a command fails, sprinkle print and type off to inspect variables and understand expected types. That reveals mismatches quickly. If commands appear blocked or ignored, make sure you're not trying server-level changes without permission. Check for admin frameworks or talk to the game creator. If nothing else resolves it, restart the session and repeat tests. Often state resets clear transient issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.